Bueno, ahora para la última sección sobre las políticas de ASU. So in the last 4 pages, there are several ASU policies and what I have labeled other policies that are very important to understand. Most of them will have links attached so that if you need more information, you can access those links to get that information. Okay, so the first part is the accessibility statement. This is basically letting you know that we do have a Disabilities Resource Center. There's one on every campus designed to offer academic support services and accommodations for qualified students with disabilities. Okay, so you want to make sure that you contact the DRC as early as possible to make sure that appropriate accommodations can be provided. Okay, accommodation for religious practices. Okay, since this course is designed where it's almost self-paced week by week, there are no specific exams per se due on a specific religious holiday, and students have the opportunity to plan ahead and get these done. And being an online course, you're not penalized for missing class due to a religious obligation or observance. Okay, same kind of goes for university-sanctioned activities. Okay, since you're not physically in the class, okay, there's no reason, to really go over that in detail. Now, the academic integrity policy basically is stating that all work is your own. Okay? You have not sought help from fulano, with whom you work, to doing and having him do your homework. Okay? Keep in mind that if you are dishonest over and over and over again, that you can receive an XE, which means that you have been withdrawn from the course, failed the course, due to academic dishonesty. Okay. The Student Code of Conduct, lots of information here. And basically, this is talking about not threatening or being disruptive or harming yourself and others. Okay. So please read through that. Prohibition of commercial note-taking services, not so much an issue in this course. Okay, it's more in lecture-type courses where students may try to sell the instructor's lecture, basically, in the way of notes. Okay? And so you can read information about that. Now, other policies are, there's a website that you can go if you are wishing to appeal any grading decisions. Incomplete. Incomplete is when you and I have come to an agreement that, okay, you're doing acceptable work. However, due to an illness or another condition beyond your control, you are unable to complete the course. And so you and I would arrange a schedule on how to get that course completed. And in the meantime, you would get a grade of an I, an incomplete. There is the website here for getting a request form. Okay. Drop and add dates and withdrawals. Okay. Keep in mind, our drop add is actually January 9th, day 2 of class. Okay. Withdrawal, you technically have up to the last day to withdraw from the university. Okay. It also talks a little bit about withdrawal from classes, like a medical or compassionate withdrawal. Okay. Email communication. Here's a website that you can go to if you are having issues with your ASU email account. Now, Title IX. This refers to the federal law that no person be excluded on the basis of sex. Okay, so this deals with sexual harassment, deals with sexual discrimination, and you can read more information at the website there. Statement on inclusion As you well know, ISU likes to count itself by whom we include rather than whom we exclude. Now, syllabus disclaimer, keep in mind this course is an educational contract between myself, the instructor, and you, the student. So every effort will be made to avoid changing the course schedule, but the possibility does exist that unforeseen events will make syllabus changes necessary. Okay? But you will be notified in a timely manner via email and or the announcements section in Blackboard. And I have also listed several important campus resources like the Tutoring Center, counseling services, if you need help with financial aid, the DRC, major or career exploration, career services, and student organizations. Okay, so bienvenidos a nuestro curso de Introducción al Español para la Salud y vamos a empezar.